Did you know that some of the biggest VPN companies will pay you just for referring users to their service? Yes. You can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month just by recommending VPNs, while also helping people stay private and secure online. Watch this video till the end, because I'll show you the top 5 VPN affiliate programs that pay high commissions, how much you can earn, and how to start promoting them right now. Let's go! Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, so you never miss money-making tips like this one. Let's kickstart with NordVPN affiliate program, the best for beginners. NordVPN is one of the most popular VPNs with millions of users. I covered a full review of NordVPN in my previous video, so you can go and check it up. Go to your browser and search NordVPN affiliate program, or click the link in the description, and this should bring you here. Their program is one of the highest paying commissions of up to 100% on first month sales, plus 30% recurring after that. Every information and step to get started is well documented here, so go ahead and create an account using the red button here. Once you're done creating an affiliate account, grab your unique referral link and share it on YouTube, blogs, or social media. Now let's say if 10 people buy a 1-month plan, you get 100% of the sale. If they stay subscribed, you keep earning 30% each month. That should be a whole lot of money for you. Alright, there are secrets I will tell you along that will shock you, because who knows if you could land a profitable remote job here. Yap. Now let's keep rolling, and the second one is Surfshark affiliate program. This has the highest payout potential, good commission of 40% revenue share on all sales. But hey, there's one thing that's unbeatable about Surfshark. It's leading the market with super high conversion rates because Surfshark offers cheap pricing plus unlimited devices. And it is fantastic for YouTubers, tech bloggers, and influencers. For example, you can create a tutorial like Best Cheap VPNs for 2025. Insert your affiliate link, and watch your earnings grow. I reviewed Surfshark VPN previously, so go check that video out on the channel. Same as NordVPN, click the link in the description to come to this page. Whilst you're here, you can go through the steps to create an affiliate program account today and start earning. And hoola! The third VPN with an affiliate program you can earn big real cash is here. Guess what it is? Yep. That's ExpressVPN affiliate program, which is the best for premium users. Commissions soar from $36 to $100 per sale. ExpressVPN has a trusted brand and users pay more, meaning higher commissions per sale. The secret to earn more here is to target users who need a fast, premium VPN, like gamers, streamers, and remote workers. Example, if you refer 10 users per month, you could earn up to $1,000 plus. Click the link in the description below this video. Once you're on this page, create an affiliate account and start your earning journey. Now let's get over to Private Internet Access affiliate program, which is still the best for recurring income. Commission goes 33% revenue share on all sales. PIA has millions of users and offers low prices, making it easy to promote. But who can benefit from this program much? It looks great for bloggers, Reddit users, and tech influencers who recommend security tools. To maximize your earnings, write blog posts like Best VPNs for torrenting and link to PIA. And you know what? Just 5 sales a day can bring in over $500 per month, passively. Alright. See, PauTecTips is rated the hottest channel with short tech tips content that is leaving great impact on people's lives every day. And it's getting even more interesting every day. So, don't fall out of this community. Like this video, share, and the best of our day, subscribe, and let's get to 10K now. Thanks, and let's drive on to the 5th and final VPN for the day, CyberGhost VPN affiliate program. And this is best for global audiences. Commissions are up to 100% on first sale, 40% recurring after. CyberGhost works in 190 plus countries, so it's great for global promotion. Best strategy is to run a Facebook or Google ad targeting people searching for best VPN for Netflix. Real case study reports that some affiliates earn $10,000 plus monthly just by promoting CyberGhost. Sign up using the link in the description to start earning today. Alright, those are the best 5 VPNs with affiliate marketing programs you can start making money with in 2025. But before we go, I will tell you how to get free traffic for your VPN affiliate sales. YouTube videos. Make simple tutorials like Best VPNs for Privacy with your link in the description. Blog posts. Write SEO articles like Is NordVPN worth it? And insert affiliate links. Social media. Share deals and discounts in Facebook groups, Twitter, and Reddit forums. Email marketing. Build a simple email list and send VPN offers with exclusive coupons. With the right strategy, you could be making $1,000 to $10,000 per month just by sharing VPN affiliate links. Which of these VPNs do you think is the best to promote? Drop a comment below and let's talk. Want to start earning today? Check the description for all VPN affiliate sign-up links. Also, grab our free guide on how to make money with VPNs. Download link in the description. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more money-making tech videos like this one. See you in the next video. Stay safe and start earning. Disclaimer: this video contains affiliate links, meaning we may earn a commission if you sign up through them. This helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. The information provided is for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making any financial or business decisions.